'cause she's so strong. She is chief of staff for Mayor's son. Oh, so we sing this song about how she shines. We're watching a star grow. So just call Denise Jordan when you need a hand. Springfield has somebody